Hey guys, how are you? Oh, sorry, I'm adjusting. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, well, welcome. Where you been? Come on now. No, I'm just kidding. I hope that you guys are doing really well. How are you? So today I am going to be just doing my little taxes number 1. So this year I'm going to be getting, hopefully, 3 income taxes back. So I am going to be getting my income taxes back from last year for 2019 for the state of Rhode Island because I moved here. I unfortunately never got them last year, and they finally came in, so that is what I'm doing right now. I have $214. It's what I am going to be working with, and then I'm actually going ahead and budgeting for this one, and I am going to be taking my moving money and putting that with this budget because, to be honest with you, I'm going to be moving everything around. I got me a brand new binder for my move. I will be moving all of my stuff from my storage unit in Colorado up to Rhode Island, where I'm currently living, so I needed to budget for that, but most of this right here, $214, is going toward my kids' clothes or my clothes for this summer because unfortunately I gained some weight over this past year and I can't fit into any of my summer clothes. So I need to go get me some shorts, okay? Because even though I love stretch pants, I gotta at least get some biker shorts or something, you know, some capris and some stretch material because your girl can't fit into anything anymore. It's really, really bad. But I am so glad that you're here with me on this journey. So let's go ahead and get into this, okay? Okay, guys, so for this right here, I'm going to be working with 200 and I hate the way that I write on this table. I actually have really decent handwriting, if you can see. And then when I go to film my videos, because of the angle that I have to use, it looks like I don't even know. It looks horrible. So, but I am going to be working with $203, which is going to be giving me a total of $417. So again, this money right here is from my income taxes. This is what I've actually saved up for my moving expenses over the past couple of weeks. So I'm going to be combining those so that way in the future I'm going to be doing a sinking fund video. So stay tuned for that, okay? So just move you a little bit. There we go. Alright guys, so my debt is going to be $14. So I just got a credit card. It's actually one of the ones that you prepay. So I took the $300 that I had been saving into my account, and I went and got a $300 credit card because that was the least amount of money that I could do. They've already charged me $29 for the annual fee. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this $14 toward there, and then in the last week I actually budgeted $25 for debt, and so that money and this money is going to go toward paying that off. So I have, let's see, I am actually going to be buying me some clothes, guys, and I am putting $86. I know it's a weird number, but I am putting $86 toward that. My daughter is going to be getting $50 toward hers. And then how I came up with these numbers is I was like, okay, so she needs a pair of shoes. So shoes are like 45 bucks. And then well, the Converse that she wants is $45. And then she just needs shorts. She has a lot of shirts, stuff like that. I'm just gonna bring her to like Rainbow and be like, here you go. So with all the money that I've been saving for her plus this, she should be okay. For my son, I am going to be budgeting him $45 because he has 4 brand new pairs of shoes in his closet that he has not touched. So he only needs shorts. He's an emo kid. He only wears black, so Hot Topic it is. So he'll be like 2 pairs of pants or 2 things there, and then that's it. Pairs of shorts. my house needs. So this right here is actually going to be a moving category, and it just is things that I have to buy to get there and back. So I'm gonna buy like paper plates because I'm driving for 3 days. So paper plates, paper napkins. I'm gonna need like silverware, and I don't have a place to wash stuff, and with the pandemic a lot of stuff is going to be closed, so you can't really go into like rest areas and stuff like that. So I have to budget for this stuff. Anything that is disposable, I know it's not good for the environment. Please don't come at me. Like, I love the environment, and I love the penguins, and I love the polar bears, and I want to save them all, but I need this right now. Okay, I'm so sorry. So it's gonna be $30 for that. Health, and this is gonna be like bar of soap, like toothpaste, travel toothpaste, stuff like that. I'm gonna, of course, try to do the stuff that I have in my house. I'm not gonna go like crazy, but I do know that I need a lot of stuff. So health and travel is going to be getting $50. And then for all of you guys who are left-handed, I feel you, because I am struggling to write this, and I'm not even left-handed. I just am writing in a very awkward position, and I see my daughter, like when she writes, because she's left-handed, her hand is always like this with her left hand, and oh my god, guys, you guys are incredible, because I can't even write at a slight angle right now. So anyway, my car needs is going to be getting $80. My tolls are going to be getting $30, and my entertainment is going to be getting $20, and my safety is going to be getting $12. So I am buying pepper spray. That is what that is for. I don't really know how much it's going to cost, but I'm going to totally buy pepper spray because there is a lot going on in the world right now, and I might get shot if I pepper spray someone, but maybe they don't have a gun and I can run away real quick. I don't know, but the world is crazy. I just need to be prepared. Okay. But this right here is going to be for entertainment. This one right here is going to be for tolls, which is self-explanatory. Let's go back to this one. The entertainment is because my daughter always wanted to go to the hot springs, and even though we lived right next to them for 3 years, I never took her because I was always working. I feel like, unfortunately, that's like how my life has always been. I've always had 2 jobs. This is the first time that I've only had 1 job. And then, like you see, I go to school or I'm taking classes so I can get further. But I really want to take her. I don't know if she watches this video. If not, it's going to be a huge surprise. But I am trying to take her there to the hot springs. Let's see. I think everything else is self-explanatory. But again, this is my taxes. I am budgeting this right here for this move. That's where most of the money is going for. So I hope that that wasn't too confusing for you. It is a very, very short video, but I just wanted to pop on here and just let you know about things that are happening and what I'm doing with my income taxes that I did finally get. The other one is I did get another check. I'm going to be uploading a video for that in a little bit. That right there is going to be like $1,400, but it's pending right now in the account. That is my state one. My federal income taxes, they still cannot find. I don't know what is going on with that, but this is what I got right now. I'm extremely blessed to even have this, so I am grateful for that. And then this is going to be my move, guys. I am putting money toward it. Everything that I got, I'm trying to put toward this move. So I will see you later. I hope that you guys see it to the end. It is a very, very quick video. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day, and I hope that everybody stays safe. Okay? Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Alright? Have a good day, guys. Okay.